Hi friends, on this episode of Cooking with the Diva, I am going to be making air fryer buffalo chicken wings, yum yum. This is something my oldest son absolutely loves. Unlike me, he really likes things nice and spicy, so I'm gonna make sure I add just enough hot sauce to make him happy. And when I make them for myself, which is gonna be the next batch, I'm just gonna keep them plain without the sauce. Honestly, they're really good either way. So, I've already prepped the chicken wings. I'm using Bell & Evans chicken wings, a pound of them. They come already cut into the separate pieces and like Bell & Evans for the win. So I've taken 2 teaspoons of baking powder and I've coated them, let them sit. Salt and pepper also mixed in there. And now I'm going to, it's supposed to be like a tablespoon or so of oil. I'm not measuring that out. I can eyeball it. I'm gonna toss it around just to make sure that they're evenly coated. And they are looking good. Super simple. The next step is I'm gonna spray down these two trays, slide them into the air fryer, and then I'm gonna set the timer for the air fryer for 30 minutes. Okay, so the chicken wings are in. They're ready to go. I just want to show you how easy it is to work this wheel. Check it out. Close the oven, turn the wheel to air fry, push, start, but not quite yet. This is the point where you get to adjust the time. So the time is a default setting at 25 minutes. I want 30. So I'm just going to turn the wheel until it says 30 and hit, and now it's on. So in 15 minutes, it's going to beep, which is the warning signal that I have to switch the trays top to bottom, which I will. And then another 15 minutes of air fry, and these babies will be ready to be tossed in the sauce. Some of you might be wondering why I used baking powder instead of flour. Well, flour is just that much heavier. The baking powder is finer. It creates a much finer coating, and the salt and pepper, obviously, flavor, seasoning, it's where it's at. So take a look at the result of using baking powder on these wings that just got finished cooking. Check this out. Look at this. I'm gonna get in nice and close. Do you see that beautiful bubble coating on the skin? That's the baking powder effect. You would have no idea that these wings were not deep fried in oil. So let's pull out the top rack. Take a look. Oh my God, they smell incredible. They look super crispy and delicious. Okay, now if you're like me, you're thinking to yourself, the inside of that oven has got to be a mess. How am I gonna clean that up? Well, the racks go into the dishwasher. The drip tray, dishwasher. I mean, you can clean it up really easy in your sink, but if you're like me, if it's dishwasher safe, it's going in. Check out the inside of the machine and how beautiful it looks. No, I didn't wipe it down. Look, no splatter. No splatter, no big giant vat of oil to clean up. It's that simple. Now, while those wings were busy air frying and getting all crispy and happy, I took a stick of butter and half a cup of butter, stick of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of Frank's Red Hot. Ooh, look at this. In my beautiful Pampered Chef small, I think this is the 8-inch frying pan. And I'm gonna pour that down in to the chicken and I'm gonna coat it. Check this out. Hot, spicy, delicious, creamy, and these wings are ready to rock. Look at that. Now, you like your wings plain? Skip the sauce. You like the sauce a little spicier? Add a little more. I've used Frank's Hot Red Sauce. This is what I used. Frank's Red Hot. Like, I think this is kind of the gold standard for buffalo wings. But you like them hot, and then you like a little blue cheese. Who doesn't like blue cheese dressing? This one's my favorite. It's chunky, it's creamy. I get it at Stu Leonard's. Sometimes Whole Foods has it. It's so good. I mean, okay, Marie's is good. This is great. I don't want to let these wings get cold. I have hungry teenagers in the house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Again, like I tell everybody, you want this air fryer in your kitchen? And who doesn't? Host a party. Get it at a discount. You'll be so happy you did. In the meantime, stay well, eat well. Kisses from the Diva.